We were recently filming a new community first aid course with the Metropolitan Police and Citizen Aid. And what we found is we were actually videoing the CPR module and just about to include AED when Chris contacted me and ran over to me and said, have I got a live AED unit? Now, to start with, as you would do, filming like this, I thought he might be winding me up or something. But the chances of him actually needing a live AED unit when I'm filming a CPR and AED module is very unlikely. But this was real. So what we're going to do now is hear from Chris and find out exactly what happened.
So a couple of the officers had gone down to get some refreshments for everyone, and whilst they were there, a female come up and said, can you help? There's someone having a heart attack. So two officers went to her aid, and another officer came back, and I got a phone call saying we need an AED quickly. So I came up to you and I said we need a live AED as quick as possible. You gave us your one. Then following a 200-metre dash, we took the AED back to the female. We delivered successful first aid using the AED, and the London Ambulance Service attended, and the female was conveyed to hospital. We probably lost 4 or 5 minutes, and in a medical emergency such as a heart attack, 4 or 5 minutes can be a massive amount of time. So the more AEDs we can get, the more community first aid kits that we can get out there and within the community, and increase the training within the community, will just be phenomenal. It was really straightforward, really easy to use, and actually it talks to you, it tells you what to do. So for me, who's had a level of input of first aid training, or for a member of the public that's had maybe slightly less training, it would be perfect. The more we can get out there and engage and positively encourage the community to work alongside the Metropolitan Police and other partners, then we can get more of these training courses out in the public and save lives, because that's what it's all about.